In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic data validation list. As you can see here, I have in my cell F1 a connection with this column. And if I add a new name like John, you can see that automatically now the name John has been added. Okay, so I show you how I did that. So first, let's start from the same source of data. When you want to create a basic data validation, you just go here, data, data validation, you select list, and here in the source you select the range of cell where you have your data. Very simple. Okay, let's check. Fine, it works. But if I add a new name here, like John, you can see here that my list hasn't changed at all. So how you can solve this problem? In fact, you have two things to do. So first, I'm going to convert this data source inside a table. So you have many ways to do that. Insert tables, or from home, format table, and you select, for instance, this one. Very important, my table has header. Okay, so now we are going to link this table, and you can see here in the menu design the name of your table. It's table 2, that's very important for the next part. So we are going to link this cell to this reference, the table. So I return here, data validation, and I'm going to replace this source by this one. So first I'm going to fill the name of the table, table 2. And what is the column name? It's between brackets, name like this. Okay, so I press enter, okay. And it doesn't work because data validation doesn't accept reference like this. But we can use the function indirect, so just type indirect like this, open parenthesis, double quotes, and at the end double quote, and you close the parenthesis, because indirect function only accepts reference as a text. So now if I press OK, you can see I still have my list here, and if I add a new one, I go here, and this time I have John. And again, if I remove some information from here, I have to just adjust the size of my table to my range of value. I have only 3 here.